INEXTIA is the new cloud-based maintenance management system that will save your business valuable time and money. Structure and document maintenance to optimize internal workflows. INEXTIA works wonders with traceability and effectivity by planning maintenance jobs and reducing breakdowns and human error. All this is visualized in your daily job list. The system's flexibility allows it to be used across all industries, which means any company with the need for maintenance can benefit from INEXTIA. One of the system's greatest advantages is its usability. No tricky installations, backup routines, or user expert configurations are needed. INEXTIA is an independent platform. Using the system is easy as it requires minimum training and is seamlessly implemented into your business. With just a few clicks, you can create or finalize jobs. Keep your inventory updated in INEXTIA by documenting and tracking the use of spare parts. You can access the system from anywhere through a wide range of devices, on or offline. INEXTIA will work wonders on your productivity and free your resources. We call it maintenance on the go.